Welcome to Akhia's AI News. I'm Mike Lawrence, filling in for Ellen Prasuti, who's on assignment and who does this so much better than me. Here's what the Akhia AI Core Agency team has been talking about the last week. First story, cue up Boys to Men because it's time to say goodbye to Sora today. OpenAI's video generating tool is going offline. The proverbial pod bay doors on the much-hyped Sora are closing. What are you doing, Sam? My mind is going. I can feel it. After months of build-up and anticipation, and even a licensing deal with Disney, the prime days of Sora were short-lived. The takeaways from this: 1. AI labs are putting more investment into workflow tools rather than video generation, where the processing chips are very expensive. And AI video's ROI, ahead of an IPO, doesn't justify the expense. 2. This reduces access to popular video generating tools, but others remain. We at Akhia have been exploring and experimenting with Sora and others from the jump to see what makes them tick, their flaws, and how to make the most of them. We've seen the value of knowing how well the tools work, when to consider them, and the value of a good concept to overcome the inherent shortcomings of AI video creation while ensuring an original, watchable, and impactful final video. Meanwhile, save and download any Sora videos you might have made. Maybe they'll be worth something someday, like those Bored Ape NFTs. Next up, Anthropic launches Claude Design. Claude Design is another flashing neon sign that AI companies are moving beyond chat into full workflow tools. The product lets users generate things like slide decks and marketing assets just by describing them. Then you refine them conversationally. It integrates with tools like Canva to export into format designers already use, rather than replacing them outright. The takeaway here: AI is collapsing entire creative workflows into a single interface. This positions Anthropic not just as a model provider, but as a competitor to traditional design resources like Figma and Adobe in the idea to prototype stage, especially for non-designers. Now more than ever, you don't need to be a great designer to make a good design. But as the floor for design gets higher and shifts upward what good really means, the professional and highly skilled designers, rather than being replaced, are more of an asset in leveling up your outputs to be more on brand and distinctive from a potential glut of AI-generated layouts. Plus, designers see the details others miss, something to think about on a topic where there is a lot to consider. And finally, this is a big one. It might be nothing, or it could be the start of a cataclysmic event that turns us all into cannibals. First, some context. A subtle but important theme is that companies are openly acknowledging that some AI capabilities may be too risky to broadly release without considering the real cybersecurity ramifications. A year ago, the race was mostly about delivering the most powerful model. Now, it's increasingly about selectively releasing capabilities, building guardrails into models, and managing government and enterprise access. This suggests the AI industry is entering a more regulated, high-stakes phase, which takes us to Anthropic Mythos, which is designed to autonomously detect and patch critical, complex security vulnerabilities in major operating systems and web browsers. But it turns out Mythos is so powerful that it can bypass the strongest security measures to hack into banks, energy grids, and overall infrastructure to sow chaos if it falls in the wrong hands, which is why Anthropic is only letting a few trusted hands touch it, to study it, and to see how nations and organizations can protect themselves against a tool designed to protect them in the first place. It's truly head-spinning and concerning. We'll keep watching and sharing AI news, trends, and updates like these as they happen. Thanks for tuning in, and if there's anything you want to hear more about, just let us know. We'll see you next time. Thank you.